Alright, so tomorrow's the exam. I'm gonna memorize everything tonight for sure.
Hey, we are Cram Crew, where we minimize your effort and maximize your results. All of us have been through the same struggle and we just want to make your journey a little less painful. Unlike him.
I hate you! I hate you! I hate you!
You don't want to be like that. So if you watch until the end, we will show you the free tools on how to ace your exam papers. Now, let's address the problem.
The brain doesn't always recall information accurately. It can be influenced by fatigue, distraction, and also emotional damage.
In high-pressure exam situations, stress and anxiety can really impair your memory recall.
And brother, your brain got limit one. Imagine you open so many browser tabs. One day, your computer confirm crash one.
So now I'm gonna give you the first solution. Active recall. Instead of just rereading the notes over and over again, you test yourself on the materials, forcing your brain to dig the info out.
So, for example, Shah is trying to remember this formula.
Tong 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 sahur.
Now, after remembering this formula, he closes the book and he tries to remember it.
Tong 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 sahur.
Yes! Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Or you can read the whole topic and write it down, or you can just say it without looking at the notes. Then you can review the materials in intervals. For example, 1 day, 3 days, or even a week. This is called spaced repetition.
Second solution is elaborative interrogation. Just like the title said, you ask why or how for every topic you study. So why do plants need photosynthesis?
Plants need sunlight to make food.
Where exactly does the sunlight go down? Where?
In the leaves, right? I think it's called chloroplast.
You think it's chloroplast ah? You tell me the exact equation now?
CO2 plus H2O, then sunlight, then glucose.
Look at me when you speak. Who do you think I am? A plant is it? Oh, look, I'm a plant. I'm a non-living object.
But plant is a living thing though.
Oh, so you think I'm a plant? Do I do like dependent or like independent reaction?
I'm wrong. You're right. Please.
Then
I
why am I not green? Why am I not green?
So for the third solution, it's the teaching method. So this is the most effective one. Just explain whatever you studied to a friend or a family member or even an imaginary student. Simplify those complex ideas so that a 10-year-old could understand. Why? Because if you can teach it, you can truly understand it. So now, before we dive into this teaching method, first of all, you need to find a distraction-free space for you to absorb all this knowledge. And that's where I want to introduce you to a bonus tool called the SPMflix website. SPMflix is Malaysia's largest free online learning platform with over 9,000 plus lesson videos. You can find past year questions, revisions, notes, and even online recordings, all for free. Read the description below and register an account for free. So your 2025 will finna be golden!
If this video helped you, share it with your friends who need this.
This is just the first episode, so make sure to subscribe for more tips coming soon.
Thank you for watching, and always remember,
Don't cram harder!
cram smarter!
Hey bro, where's Eric?
I have no idea, man.